2015 Chrysler Town & Country at Hollidaysburg Auto Plaza in Hollidaysburg, Pennsylvania. This Chrysler is well equipped with power sliding doors, a V6 engine, a power liftgate, leather seats, power venting rear windows, a heated steering wheel, a backup camera, power and heated front seats, automatic headlamps, a drop video screen, tri-zone auto climate with rear controls, stow and go third row seats, under 117,000 miles. It's under $15,000. Visit hollidaysburgautoplaza.com or call 814-317-5233.